overeating. The impulsive quality lends itself to having poor food choices, and as a result being overweight and having high BMI, body mass index. Type A personalities tend to be very high-strung. So these are your ambitious, go-getting, kind of very compulsive, impulsive, and competitive nature type people. In the compulsive department, you'll find that their desks are very neatly organized, their kitchens might be very neatly organized, and these people tend to move very quickly. And if you get in their way, watch out, they can get a little aggressive. So they also tend to eat their meals very quickly. And they always seem like they're in a rush. And specifically, if they ever had to slow down, like in traffic, they're not happy. You do not want to be in the car or a passenger in one of these cars. Some of the health characteristics is that type A's tend to be chronically stressed, and as a result, they'll have weakened immune system. You'll also find that they have a tendency to have more ulcers because of chronic acid production. Some of the risk-taking behaviors, the impulsivity, can lend itself to having more ulcers, as well as overeating. The impulsive quality lends itself to having poor food choices, and as a result being overweight and having high BMI, body mass index.